I rode my bike from my home over to High Drive and up and over to Gold Camp Road and then to Seven Bridges Trail to check out the recent flooding. Fortunately, I met two Forest Service employees, Kate and Anastasia, at the trailhead, and they gave me a little bit of the lowdown. I stashed my bike, hiked up the trail, and saw the first bridge was even worse than it was when I looked at it last week.
Keeps on raining, that is going to break. If it keeps on raining, that is going to break. When the levee breaks, have no place to stay.
Okay, I've completed my survey of the Seven Bridges Trail, and my conclusions are that only the first bridge is out. Well, I talked to the Forest Service women there at the base of the trail who are up there to mark the trail, no entry, and they had told me that bridge number 5 was in bad shape. Well, I can verify that bridge number 5 is okay. Pretty much all the bridges are intact and crossable, except for bridge number 1, which is pretty serious. I was here a week ago, and it's much worse now. One thing those two women told me, which I agree with completely, is people shouldn't go in and try and do any repair work on the bridge because, for one, it's historical. For two, they might cause more damage than they would actually fix. So let the professionals get in there. They said the Forest Service is going to get in there with their professional people, do archaeological studies, all kinds of stuff like that, and repair the bridge in a historical manner. So I talked to the Forest Service people again, and apparently they meant bridge number 6.
So once again, this is bridge number 6, which the Forest Service women said was questionable.
When the levee breaks, Mama, you